people ask me what it is that I remember most about him, my answer is always the same. Bright blue eyes, a wicked yet charming smile, and a cigarette in his hand. He was always worried about something. I remember he used to say girls like me shouldn't be with boys like him, but I never listened to his warnings because there I was next to him. And so he was always nervous and always smoking, which is all I really remember about him. Well, no, because I also remember the roughness of his hands. I remember his serious expression and his rough features. I remember the jackets he would wear, even on summer afternoons, because they were oh so cool. Worn out leather that smelled faintly of his cologne and, well, smoke. He was always worried about something. Although, if I'm honest, I'm the reason he was always getting into trouble, saving me from some stupid thing I'd done. I remember he used to say I had the bad habit of smiling at strangers, which I guess is true. Thinking back, there were a lot of things he didn't like about me. But I guess what he did like was a whole lot more because he stayed. He stayed. But just for a little while. Because he was so concentrated on protecting me, gripping me so tight, afraid that someone would take me from him, that he forgot so many things, not only about me, but about him. Because in the end, he left me. And all that he left behind was the lingering cloud of smoke and ashes.